An Indian origin scholar in US has been arrested by authorities for allegedly spreading Hamas propaganda while he was supporting a pro-Palestine protest in the United States. According to his lawyer, he has been arrested by immigration officers and faces deportation as reported by Politico. His lawyer also maintains this action against him stems from the Palestinian ancestry of his wife. Badr Khan Suri, an Indian postdoctoral fellow, was arrested by masked agents outside his home in Virginia on Monday night. He was studying at Georgetown University in Washington, D.C. As reported, Mr. Suri has been accused of spreading Hamas propaganda. Tricia McLaughlin, the Assistant Secretary, Department of Homeland Security, wrote on X and accused that Suri allegedly had close connections to a known or suspected terrorist. Quote, Suri was a foreign exchange student at Georgetown University, actively spreading Hamas propaganda and promoting anti-Semitism on social media. McLaughlin further added that her department tracked his activities online and offline and found that they can find charges worth deporting against him. Suri is the second Indian to face deportation over alleged involvement in the pro-Palestinian causes that swept the US campuses just ahead of the US elections last year. Earlier this month, Ranjini Srinivasan, a PhD student at Columbia University in New York, fled to Canada, effectively self-deporting herself after an immigration officer came looking for him, saying that her student visa was cancelled. Homeland Security Department accused her of being involved in activities supporting Hamas, a terrorist organization. Notably, Hamas has been deemed a terrorist organization by Israel and US. Coming back to Suri, his lawyer Hassan Ahmed argued in his petition that Mr. Suri is being punished because of the Palestinian heritage of his wife, even though she is a US citizen, according to Politico. Mafez Saleh from Gaza is a first-year student at the Center for Contemporary Arab Studies, Georgetown University. She earned her bachelor's degree in journalism and information at the Islamic University of Gaza, Palestine, and a master's degree in conflict analysis and peace building from the Nelson Mandela Center for Peace and Conflict Resolution at Jamia Millia Islamia in New Delhi. The same course was also attended by Mr. Suri. Quote, Dr. Khan Suri is an Indian national who was duly granted a visa to enter United States to continue his doctoral research on peace building in Iraq and Afghanistan, unquote. A Georgetown spokesperson said in a statement, adding